Okay, friends, I saw you working so hard drawing your solutions to this problem today. On the count of three, I want you to hold up your work for me. Hold it nice and still in your camera so that I can see your strategies. One, two, three. And here, Bill, you want to scan for two different strategies that you see kids use. You'll pre-plan strategies that you think kids will use in advance. And even if you don't see those two strategies, they should still be two strategies that you can model when you come back together and you do the share. All right, friends, now I'm going to share two strategies with you that I saw today. I saw so many great ones. The first person strategy I want to share is Emily's. And as I'm sharing, I want you to watch me super closely to see if you did a similar strategy. I actually saw quite a few of you do this one. Here is what Emily did, boys and girls. And I actually, just to save us time today, I kind of had a hunch that a lot of you would use this strategy, so I drew it out in advance. But here is what Emily did. So Emily started by drawing 10 $10 bills. And she counted, Emily, do you want to tell us how you counted? Yeah, you got it. She counted by tens to get to 100. So she said 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And she saw that there were 10 $10 bills here to make $100. Then she drew 10 more $10 bills, and that was also $100. And then she drew 10 more dollar bills, and that was also $100. And then she counted up how many $10 bills she used, like this. 10 in this column, 10 more is 20, and 10 more is 30. So Emily said there are 30 $10 bills to get to 300. Thumbs up, guys, if you used a similar strategy similar to Emily's. Yeah, good so-and-so, good so-and-so. I saw that too in your work. That's a great strategy. Great job, Emily. The second strategy I want to share with you today is Carlos's strategy. And here is what Carlos did. Carlos used a place value chart. And he said, okay, I know I need to get to 300, and I know I'm only using tens. So he actually only showed tens and hundreds in his place value chart. And he said, he counted like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And he showed that 10 tens equal 100 like this. But Carlos knew he needed to get to 300, so he did it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now how much money did you have, Carlos? $200, yep. Not done yet, right, buddy? Yep, we got to do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now Carlos could clearly see that he has 3 hundreds. Or if we're talking about money, right, $300. And Carlos looked back at his place value chart and counted his tens. 10, 10 tens. This is 10 more tens. And this is 10 more tens. And 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Awesome strategy, Carlos. Boys and girls, what do you notice that is similar about Emily's strategy and Carlos's strategy? And I provide a lot of wait time here and let them think about it. And then call on a hand. What you want them to notice here is that even though they use different strategies, they counted similarly, right? They counted, Emily counted 10, 20, 30. Carlos counted 10, 20, 30. Okay, so maybe they counted similar. They grouped by 10, right? They grouped by tens. in order to figure out how many tens get them to 300. So kids can pull out a couple similarities there. Awesome job, my friends. Okay, let's look back at our steps. We have one final step to do here today. We have read our problem. We did an awesome job drawing. We showed actually 2 different strategies today. Our last step we know is to write our answer in a complete sentence. So let's do that now. Sebastian wants to know how many $10 bills are in 300. Raise your hand if you can tell us our complete word sentence. Good, and I'm just going to slide this up for us, friends, so we can see. Good. There are 30, and we can write a $10 bill like this, right? There are 30 $10 bills in $300. Good problem solving today, my friends.